welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see how to pronounce this word tariff. 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 Let's see its meaning. It is a noun. It means a tax or duty to be paid on a particular class of imports or exports. Let's see its use in sentences. The government imposed a tariff on imported steel to protect domestic manufacturers. Many consumers complained that the new tariff on electronics increased prices significantly. The country reduces its tariff rates to encourage international trade and economic growth. Some economists argue that a high tariff can lead to trade wars between nations. The new trade agreement eliminated most tariff barriers between two neighboring countries. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more lessons like this, which can help you to improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar.